Well, today's a very depressing day in FI land. As you can see, there's a hole here, and what looks to be a burnt tinsel, or something of that matter. Because, man, is it ever burnt here. A little bit of shit in the voice coil. Box is just smoking away. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know. Join me for the rip apart, make sure she's not on fire. Damn. I don't know how long I had this for. Not long enough, needless to say. But, yeah, sad day. Retone kit. Looks like it's on its way. So, we'll see what happens. We got a lot of smoke. Good thing I turned it off quick. You can't really tell what happened right now, so. I think it all might have been from a bad fucking wire. That's what it's looking like right now. I don't know if you can see it all that well, but it's looking like it's come down to a wire melting. And that is, oh no, never mind. I forgot what kind of wire I used. That's just fine. No short there. Oh, I see where it is. Ouch. Nasty. Brutal. Well, I don't know what else to say. That's pretty shitty. And it for sure blew this up because there's soot all inside this. So, it looks like a pretty fatal BTL failure. But I was giving her some shit there. Nothing's all that hot here. These tinsel leads are in pretty nice shape. So I'm kind of confused as to what's going on.